Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Windigaga fan misters for cooling outdoor. Consists of the following features. Fan not included. The fan misting kit is a cooling system upgrade only, it doesn't include a fan. This gives you the flexibility to transform any compatible fan you already own into a powerful mist cooling station. Strong magnetic fan misting kit. Transform your metal fan into a powerful cooling system instantly. The Windigaga misting kit easily upgrades your pedestal, floor, or wall-mounted fan with super strong magnetic attachment. Simply snap it onto any flat metal surface, minimum 2.5 inches, for quick installation. Enjoy immediate refreshing mist that's perfect for beating the heat on patios, by the pool, during backyard BBQs, or in garages. Multi-surface installation. Enjoy flexible installation options with our Mr. Fan Kit, which can be securely mounted using the included M4X 16mm screws and washers, fits surfaces up to 0.5 inch/12.7mm thick. Easily transform your backyard patio, wooden pergola, or gazebo into a cool, misty retreat with this high-performance outdoor cooling system. Premium mist performance. Upgrade your outdoor cooling experience with our fan misting kit featuring 3 premium brass nozzles that deliver an ultra-fine, refreshing mist, perfect for patios, poolside areas, and backyard gatherings. The nozzles are designed for easy manual removal, making regular cleaning and maintenance simple to ensure optimal misting performance all season long. Standard hose adapter. Includes a durable 16.4 feet abrasion-resistant hose designed for long-lasting outdoor performance, complete with a universal 3/4 inch standard hose adapter that provides quick, leak-proof connections to most garden spigots. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.